Today I'm going to teach you how to fold this really easy paper airplane that flies really far. All we will need is just one piece of blank paper, and first step we will fold it in half. Now we will open it and fold it again on this side, but just leave a few inches down open. Now we will open it again and fold it to this new line that we just made. And we will fold it again down on this line. Now we're gonna fold the center and make triangles. We'll do this on both sides. And then we will open those up and fold the crease to this line, so from outside to the center inner line, and do the same on the other side. So we'll fold this to this crease that we just made. Now we will open it up and tack the new layers that we made so on first line, and we tack layers in. Do the same on the other side. And then we'll turn it around and fold it in half. Now all we need to do is fold the wings. So we'll take the wing and fold it down to this line. And do the same on the other side, like so. Now we will open it up and it's time to throw it. So enjoy making the same paper airplane. This can fly really far, and enjoy it, make it few, and we will see you in the next video.